Boy, foot bleed and bleed some more.
Yo! Yo! Yes!
You know, put the chicken and pork back in my plate.
Tell my rival, are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win. We still a win. Are we still a win?
This song here.
Man's hot.
Man's not hot.
Man's
not hot. Sing it.
Man's not hot. Man's not hot.
I got a new subscriber. Makesh subscribed.
Oh, that's nice. Man's not hot.
Man's not hot.
Why must things that don't make much sense?
It don't make one sense. It just sounds silly.
I just really catch. Can you want to do something?
Mommy. Oh look.
Just say you want me to bring up a shoes here.
Yeah, man, I want to touch up.
Some blings, you know.
How much is for your white
top
shirts?
right off, you're saying at the top.
Yeah.
You all see difference, yeah.
I'm seeing them as you know what I say.
So you want them big liquor, some diamonds, you know true, yeah.
Remember your brother and your cousin has to go their white shirt.
How much you shirt them?
For 1400.
So I don't know where you come exactly right.
No,
I'm going
no,
to go up there, so.
They're gonna get it in St. Mary, mommy.
Huh?
They're gonna get it in St. Mary.
That's what they're eating from under the
No, tell the truth. I gave mommy that much because she's having care.
Girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friends them a walking trophy. Tell a girl say, girl you know say you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl you not try hard. Them girl they not pretty in a real life. You're pretty on the gram and you're pretty in a real life. Your body look good, set right, set straight. Your thing turn up, pussy well tight, well straight. But
Sure, get food.
Well, you know, put the chicken and pork back in my plate. Look like a little while.
I didn't realize.
Me not eat it, so the whole of it.
I never eat pork yet.
Yeah.
So you want to me and your girlfriend.
Sharon food looks nice.
Give me meat no clothes.
I'm in the boutique already.
Give me meat already?
Yeah, one shrimp.
Liberty, mommy, liberty.
No, man, no.
Then she don't get, you get fried, she get fried, and she don't get her own.
One shrimp?
You're lucky. The last time I buy your shrimps, your cost so we no good. And by the time I reach home, I don't see one in there. Remember?
This does not cut in it.
No, it's not.
Well, if you can't take a long period or something, you have some shrimp because sometimes it's just nice, you know.
No, we never gonna eat it. You have to do something, not overdo it. They eat one, done.
Because of his airways. You want him to die?
You know, so we eat some fish right here.
And he almost died?
Beside the conker, so fry, you know. I'm frying and eating, you know, we start, we more feel funny. Sometimes we more before, yeah, you know, if you swear for us, that makes sense. We have some allergy here.
You're very bad, you're ugly, and you bust Jesus slippers. Trouble, and that's the truth, me attack. Wine panny body, girl, broke it off. Serious attack a girl, man, you no feel laugh. No one went for all your corner, you no fi stop. If me borrow man for the night, bitch, you no fi talk. Have ambition, the boy no fi walk.
Baby,
That nice shirt?
I love it.
The shrimps and cashew nuts, I want to have it.
Make sure outside soft
No, the one you're having.
That's outside the Chinese, and across there you can see KFC.
You want this one?
What my face with?
No,
You yourself on the face with me, a young man.
You want this one, shrimps? Huh?
Put that video outside long enough.
Okay.
Tell me this way.
Turn it on Sharon then.
But this man, we met him in here and he's eating himself away. Watch. First time having Chinese, he's really enjoying it.
The iPhone pick up stuff that's even over there, you know. The iPhone pick up noise from over there. You don't have to go down. Sharon, turn it. Oh,
What's
never.
the be one level to the father? Uncle says on a goal.
Yeah, thanks, Sharon. What a nice song.
What is life, oh God?
No danger, no hurt. Over I go inside.
Inside.
No hurt. Oh, yeah, alright, Kurt. Alright.
Daddy.
Check your length, I call them. Oh,
And a little longer, but
yeah, but one cut, you know, if you buck, you check it on the. Yeah, you know, until it gets
one.
Go for a night.
Get this scissors. When
Yes,
beans
yes.
come around, when beans come, brother, I don't build up a split. The scissors in the sun.
Hey,
You
come
can't
video
let
for me,
bills.
Tyron.
The clothes not come.
When I was younger, oh, it's lovely. Is your bathroom?
Yeah, me do it over there that they change the tiles.
It's nice.
Do the floor, change the bath.
Wow, this is your room?
Yeah.
Nice. Hey.
Where you want the rocking chair?
Oh, it's pretty.
Alright, these are here.
It's raining. Yo, Terry's. And here I'll get hanging tree. Antonia.
GNG. We have been on my bed.
I forgot beats here. Okay. You know what I'm saying? We're getting ready for Christmas. My cousin cutting the grass with a waka. And they're sweeping. Say hi, kids. Say hello. And this is Cher.
Can't say I ain't doing
And that's Mommy.
What's your butt you remember that
Today we're just taking it easy. Taking the chill out day. Preparing for Christmas and all that stuff, you know what I mean? Preparing for Christmas and all that stuff. Getting ready and everything like that. Yo! Yo! Yes! No, sir. Get some lick on me to go here. Lick at. Eh? It reached me, man. It reached me. Who want like some watcher? Mosquito. Not true. One lick on me. God, them they lick that too hot, man. Yo, mosquito is just biting up, man. Blah.
Mosquito.
Yeah.
You see them on us?
Yeah.
Try one of the red. Yo, tell me again, try your foot back. Your foot back. Why is that so?
And the dirty mosquito then decide say we mustn't go back home with no skin. Yeah. I decide, man. So I must not go back home with no skin whatsoever. Dirty mosquito them. So guys, how was your day? My day was fun. So today we went to Sam. Just went to go look for his wedding shoes. Mommy went to go and buy some more wedding garments for the boys. I went to Sam just to follow them. Simple as. What else happened? We're home now. We're cleaning the yard for Christmas. Yeah, and Talia's gonna be trying on her. Girl, stand up. She'll be trying on her. You're gonna be trying on your bright, your flower girl dress. Loosen up, no girl. You just stiff up. What? Who I carry go to ski side? Do not listen to him. My family does not partake in such activities. I joke. That's how my panty just roll up. Roll up. Hurry up. Yeah.
What are my kids?
Tastes damn good. Oh, damn!
You can run them out here?
No.
Can it taste good then?
Actually, Tabia, I the curry one, but curry noodles.
That tastes
It's called chicken curry, but your curry noodles. It's called chicken curry.
it tastes bad too.
Yangwan. Chicken curry
Say
noodles.
Tyrese.
Tell them what happened. What happened? Tough boy. Look there.
He was walking.
Boy foot bleed some more. Only that amount to catch, boy, girl. Hold on.
Enough of that, you heard so.
No, it's not.
So why don't I
Good.
put this here?
I'm sure I use it up here.
So,
I him didn't have it, but he reached around the so. He used your wrap. I don't know, the ganja or something. He used your wrap ganja or something. Wow.
what's all this?
So we are making a wait for the tape then.
So what if we don't get the tape for you? Who can go with that?
Jay, no much should I want it, Abby?
So who bring him over there?
I don't think Jay come.
So how them come over here?
I don't know who pulled them. Jay come.
How they foot them, boy?
How you get cut there?
Yeah?
How you get cut?
Look at foot now.
How you get cut?
One glass.
When you cut right here.
Yeah. No, I'm going to empty bin.
So we're going to Mummy's place now to drop off some of the wedding stuff and collect my laptop because I wanted to do like a little family marshmallow night again tonight, but I don't think that'll be possible because it's raining. So we're just gonna watch some videos on my laptop and be easy, and because obviously I have my speaker. That's it. Mommy, you make Talia try on the dress yet?
So I get wet. Alright.
Wish us luck, it's raining. Oh my gosh. Mommy, you're not gonna get wet. Mommy, how are you meant to get wet? Oh, sugar. That's how. Oh, shit. I'm getting wet.
Take me play with the umbrella.
I thought, why are we getting wet? Hurry, Cher, hurry.
Yo, look me out.
Yeah, I thought this. Yeah, how are we getting wet?
No, there are some. There are things something there all over, isn't it?
You look like you.
Oh my gosh. Guys, we wet up. We wet up bad.
This is it. Right there, so the rain just come over.
Jesus.
I mean, you turn up the AC, you know, what a wicked.
Oh God. We're gonna freeze. No man.
Can't find the work. Him like that.
Can't find any work. It's already clear out here. man like you can't find the
Oh God!
Jesus
Christ! It's cold!
Wait! Jesus Christ! Wait! It's freezing!
No, sir! This cold! Mommy, this cold. No, sir. No, man.
England no live.
Yeah, let me tell you today. I need to walk.
Back to Monterey now.
What?
And then
Chicken back. That's fuck off for me.
that's not funny. No, I wasn't eating chicken back actually. The panda ends. Going back home. Apparently we're gonna have a marshmallow night, but it's been pissing down of rain. I don't know what Tata is thinking.
We're gonna fall on niggas now, fall up on the top hills.
It was raining up hills earlier on, so there's no wood.
What do you my girl? Keep calm. Stove style. Stove way, me no burn gas.
So yeah. Huh?
She did show it.
A food bag that one. Touch it, touch it. Touch it and see if it's a food bag. Food bag,
So who's gonna buy me my macaroni and cheese?
Me. Where?
You have money?
Give me money.
See the clothes here? Yeah, see it here. See the marshmallow here?
You have a macaroni.
No, mommy's marshmallows here for the wedding.